How to use Sephora gift card online. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Visnal, and today I'll guide you on how you can use your gift card on Sephora online. Now the process itself is actually quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. First things first, on the Sephora, either or the application or the browser, what you want to do is you want to first select the item that you wish to buy, right? That you wish to shop, and then you want to proceed to checkout. Now first, once you proceed to checkout, you shall get an face like this. Now first tap on checkout again, and you'll be headed to the checkout page where it'll ask you to enter in your details such as your payment details, your address details and such. Now I'll be skipping all this, but here is where you can redeem your gift card. If you scroll down, you'll find the option payment method. Beside payment method, you can see edit option. Simply click on edit or tap on edit, and once you tap on the edit, under payment methods, you can see their add gift card option. Simply tap on add gift cards, and now it'll give you an option to enter in your gift card number, pin, and simply tap on apply, and it'll be applied to your account and you can use it. So this way you can use Sephora gift card online. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.